Most people use ChatGPT like a search box. That's why they get average answers. In this video, you'll learn a simple prompt formula that instantly improves your AI results. Here's the problem. A bad prompt sounds like this: write an email. A better prompt sounds like this: write a polite follow-up email to a client who hasn't responded for 5 days. Keep it professional, short, and action-oriented. The fix is a 5-part formula: context, role, task, format, feedback. Master these 5 and your prompts will instantly improve. Step 1. Context. Tell ChatGPT who the answer is for, what situation you're dealing with, and what outcome you want. Step 2. Role. Ask ChatGPT to act as a teacher, project manager, business coach, resume expert, research assistant, or productivity advisor. Step 3. Task. Be specific about what you want it to do. Don't say "help me." Say create, rewrite, summarize, compare, analyze, or turn this into a checklist. Step 4. Format. Ask for a table, checklist, email plan, summary, script, presentation outline, or step-by-step guide. Step 5. Feedback. Your first answer isn't the final answer. Ask it to make the response shorter, sharper, more executive, more beginner-friendly, or more detailed. Here's the full formula in action. Act as a productivity coach. Help me plan my week. I work full-time, have only 1 hour per evening, and want to learn AI. Give me a 5-day plan in a table with daily tasks, estimated time, and expected output. Remember the formula: context, role, task, format, feedback. Don't use ChatGPT like a search box. Use it like a smart assistant that needs clear instructions. Subscribe to AI SkillSprint for practical AI skills in minutes.